Hi everyone. In this session, I am going to teach you a shortcut path and the things which will help you to become a ETL tester. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tips and tricks I am going to share you if you want to excel your career in more advanced level in the field of software testing. First of all, you must have the sound clear cut knowledge about the software testing fundamentals. Number second, you must know about the SQL. Number third, you must know about the ETL and data warehouse concept, which I already told you and coach you in previous sessions. Then you must know about the Power Query on Microsoft Excel. And for scripting languages, I recommend you all the Python libraries, the pandas, numpys, matplotlib, and cbol. Believe me that if you just try to invest your time and energy in these five areas, you will become ETL tester and you will be presenting yourself very confidently in front of your customers or in front of the organization and give them the interviews like you are a true data warehouse software tester now. Now the question here, how much time you need to become a ETL DWH tester? I just want to say that you not more than 3 months will take to become and get the mastery in the DWH or ETL tester. If you are a manual tester and if you not transform your journey towards the automation tool, then the backend testing, the ETL testing is, believe me, multi-million industry waiting for you. And you will be able to get a lot of companies will approaching you if you exactly know how to extract the information, how to transform the information, and how to load the information, and how to produce the quality records and creating the data quality as per the client expectation. So I hope that you get the clear cut idea what are the things you need to do to become a ETL tester now.